Equity LEAPS calls can provide stock market investors an opportunity to benefit from the growth of large companies without having to make outright stock purchases. This is a quote from the CBOE website. CBOE stands for Chicago Board Option Exchange and is surprisingly located in Chicago and is the largest option exchange in the world. So these guys probably know what they are talking about. So what exactly do they mean? What are those magical leaps? I'll give you a real and simple example. Let's take Facebook stock as our case study. The stock is currently traded at 127. It means that if you want to purchase 100 Facebook shares, you need to pay $12,700. That's a large amount of money. Now, take a look at this. What is it? You're probably asking. A good question. This is the LEAPS options table for Facebook. It shows you that you can buy the 70 call for only $58.15. So to control 100 Facebook shares with LEAPS, you need to pay only $5,815 instead of $12,700. That's much less than half the price. Isn't that amazing? Well, yes it is. And it's real. And it's backed by one of the largest exchanges in the world, the CBOE. But then again, is it really that simple? Honestly, no, it's not. And this is why I've produced this unique and most comprehensive course. In this course, I will teach you everything you need to know in order to use LEAPS options like the pros. See you in the course.